No tip order. No tip order. No tip order.
$27 for 2 hours. This is trash. DoorDash, you are trash. DoorDash custom, you also are trash.
Order number
Give me
one
an
in the
order
car.
that's going.
It is a salad. These people ain't paying no attention. Look at that.
The Jaden, I hope she left a tip on this thing, man. It ain't looking too good. What's it gonna be? What is it gonna be? How much did we make? No tip! Oh, Lord.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ooh-wee. What's the first order gonna be? Hopefully it ain't nothing too bad. Let's see the time right now. What's it? It's 5:58 on a Sunday night. I gotta get my AR up. They ain't gonna give me nothing unless I do earn by time and get my AR up. We at a 31%. 31%. So we got 19 more percentage points to go till we at least at 50 and be able to see any type of priority. Now, it's not enough time in this month to get top dash, but let's see what we can do with DoorDash tonight. See if we can make make a couple dollars. We got 3 hours, 2 hours and 45 minutes on the DoorDash schedule. I was gonna do some Walmart Spark, but it ain't looking too good for Spark, so we finna rock out with DoorDash. So let's see what we get first. It's like we're gonna be checking in at Little Caesars. We got 1 mile estimated delivery distance, pizza bag required. Check, we got that right there. We ready to go. 19 seconds left. Perfect. Let's go ahead and accept that, and let's head on over to Little Caesars. Little Caesars is right across the street. Let's get it. We winning. Check that out. Right across the street. Don't even got to go too far. Man, order number 1 ready to go. Let's go ahead and get that in that pizza bag. Yes, sir. Stop playing with me. Let's get it. 1 mile delivery distance on this one. We got a hand-to-me customer, guys. First DoorDash order of the evening, and it has to be a hand-to-me. Well, you know what? It is a pizza order, and it is going to another restaurant. It's going to Lion's Choice. Maybe we'll give them a pass on this one. It's the first order of the night, so I don't want to ruin my good mood. Boy. I picked up this order. I've probably been on this order for probably 5 minutes total. If it ain't no huge tip on this order, I am not in good shape. It's crazy. We might just have to deliver this for free. I just thought about that. I'm on earn by time, so I ain't even guaranteed a $2 base pay. Oh my goodness, man. I'm about to take this in and hand it right to... Alrighty, guys. Moment of truth right now. I handed it directly to her. Shout out to Jaden. I hope she left a tip on this thing, man. It ain't looking too good. What's it gonna be? What is it gonna be? How much did we make? No tip! Oh, Lord. Lord. This is why I'm getting a scooter right here. We got a stack. If they give me 2 more non-tippers, I'm about to lose my mind. We got My Fresh, which is I think My Pizza, and we got Jersey Mike's. Let's go ahead and take that. Man, I need something to get me back on track, because that last order just threw me all off course. This one, we just going to be grabbing a salad for Sophie. This is My Pizza right here. Here go their little outside eating section. Let's go ahead and get this night rolling, man, because that first order just made me... Now, order number 1 in the car, it is a salad. These people ain't paying no attention. Look at that. Almost hit me. We got our salad from My Pizza. Now we heading over to Jersey Mike's to pick up order number 2. Both of these orders are going to the college campus, guys, so it's not looking great. But it's all good, though. Hopefully, we can get our acceptance rate up to closer to 40%. Put ourselves in a better position to get that high priority on them good DoorDash. Boy, Ryan said they got it ready. It looked like it's like that. Heading to the college. All right, this was going right here. Good to go. All right, let's go ahead and confirm both of these real quick. What is it gonna be? I don't even know. Let me take a screenshot. We go $3.50 tip, $3 tip on the other one, for a total of $15.13. Let's get it. Now, them is 2 orders that I can get with right there. Nice base pay. We got an $8.69 base pay. Let's go. No, $8.63 base pay. $3.50 on the first tip. $3 on the second tip. Let's get it. What we gonna get next? I'm glad them 2 customers at least left a $3 tip on this bad boy. Cause man, they trying to hurt my feelings tonight. Hitting me with that non-tipper, man. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. I had to pause myself and get back away from that college campus because they was tweaking. Now, I hope they don't kick me out of my dash. Don't look like they did. We good there. Let's see if we got any points to our acceptance rate doing all their work. Okay, we did. We at 33%. That's cool. So we raised our acceptance rate by 2 points so far. Not bad. Let's go ahead and resume this bad boy and see what's going on, as long as they don't be tweaking. All right, boom. Don't do me too bad, DoorDash. Come on now. I need you to take it easy on me. What you got to realize is I am a brand new dasher, okay? So you can't be sending me 10 miles away. No, I know that coffee and that Taco Bell tastes better from 10 miles away, but no,
Save it for the experienced dashers, because what you got to realize is I'm brand new out here and I ain't never did this before, so I need help. I need a little bit of help, and just take it a little bit easy on me. You know, don't do me too bad, you know. Let me get a couple dollars in my pocket before you start trying to send me all over the map. What's this right here? 2.6 miles at Jack in the Box? Yes, sir. Let's go. Now that I can take. I appreciate you, DoorDash. That's what I like to see right there. Let's see. We got 2.6 miles. Delivery distance, estimated time 15 minutes. But I know Jack in the Box is a drive-through pickup, so we definitely jamming with that. Thank you, DoorDash. That's what I like to see. Don't send me far away. Number 4, let's go. This is what I like right here. This is when it's busy, you can get orders like this. Now, I am using Earn by Time, so that does kind of give me a better chance at seeing more orders more frequently, even with my lower acceptance rate. But I think, you know, we're seeing a little influx in orders for right now for this evening. So I'm happy. Let me just get up to like 50%, DoorDash. Let me get up there. Let me get the ability to use Earn by Offer and actually experience a little bit of priority. You know, see some diamonds and some rubies and some, you know what I'm saying, some good orders. Catering order, pizza orders, yeah, let me get that. I mean, I did get a few pizza orders, though, being on Earn by Time. And maybe that'll let the algorithm know that, hey, this guy got a pizza bag. He out here trying to work. Pizza orders do have a higher chance of getting cash tips, so I do love that. But, you know, we finna rock out with this Jack in the Box order right now. It is a pizza spot right next, so if they want to send me an add-on, look, I got my pizza bag right. We pulling up the Jack in the Box right now, y'all. They got the drive-through pickup. Man, stop playing with me. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. What the hell you doing here? How you doing? I'm picking up a DoorDash for Sid. Yes, ma'am. I look like Sid just got a chocolate overload cake and some mini churros. Easy little order. Sid, better be a tip on her, man. Don't do me like that. I don't care if you close. It better be a tip. I don't care if you only ordered a little bit. And it's ready. Wow. Thank you. All right, you have a good one. One order of Jack in the Box. Front no service. Ooh, that light bright. Nice. They got a little bitty table right here. Right there. All right, we got that thing dropped off. You seen it. Let's go ahead and confirm that. Moment of truth right here. What's it gonna be? Order complete? Yes. Boom. Come on, baby. Don't do us bad. Don't do us bad. Is that a no-tip? Oh, my God. Another no-tip customer? Another no-tip customer. Why? Why am I getting all these no-tip clowns, man, on this good night? This good, busy night? Oh, these non-tippers, man. These non-tippers. I can't stand these non-tip customers. Learn to make a sandwich. Or go pick it up yourself. You no good, miserable, non-tipping clown. What is wrong with you? You think we supposed to be out here delivering for free? What's this? Better be low delivery distance. Red Robin, 3.7 miles. That's what I'm talking about right there. Come on now. Better give me something. It gotta be a tip on this one. Red Robin? Red Robin? We right across the street too? It better be a tip on this one, boy. I am not playing because looky here. I can't take no more non-tippers, boy. I'm about to lose my mind out here. I'm about to straight up lose my mind because never, ever did I think that I was finna be dealing with non-tippers like this on this night. I thought it was just gonna be all good. Huh. Think again, trader. It is not all good. You finna be delivering to no-tip customer. What's this? An additional 10 miles? Oh, no. We not having none of that. No, sir. An additional 10 miles? No, I'm declining that. No, sir. I'm declining that right now. We're going across the street and that's it. Oh, yeah. Look at this big old bag. Look at this. It's got to be a nice tip on this. Ain't no way LaToya didn't tip nicely on this order. I mean, it's impossible. It's going to be straight up impossible for it not to be a great tip on this order. I just know it in my soul. We're going to go ahead and sit that right in the bag. Hold on. Bloop. We good to go. Guys, we good on this one. I just checked the map and we're not going to the college campus. We going over here off Meridian Road, which is where all the nice houses is at, where the rich folks is at. I know we're going to be good to go on this one. I ain't even worried no more. That's why it's important to know your market, guys. I know this little area. All the residents that live over here, all of them tip good, and I don't never have any issues. So I'm excited to drop this one off. We got 2-mile delivery distance from this Red Robin we just picked up from. So let's get it. You see, I need to clean this window right here. I just noticed that. Right on for letting me know that, y'all. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. Y'all see me out here delivering to these non-tippers for free? The least you could do is hit that like and subscribe button, man. Come on, stop playing with me. Of course. Hand to me. Nobody here to accept the food. Let's go ahead and get this timer started. And I'm finna go ahead and get my photo ready because I do not like hand to me customers. They never are ready. Always have issues. You just gotta love it. Like, they just hand to me. about to sit you sitting on the front porch. All right, guys. We got that order dropped off. I handed it to the customer. Let's go ahead and confirm it. I don't think this one is going to be a no tip. I don't. I think we're going to be in good shape. Here we go. There we go. Boom. I think we're going to be in good shape on this one. What'd it say? Boom. No tip. Wow. Wow. No tip. Wow. 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 That's all I can say is wow. Wow. Little Caesars, no tip. Jack in the Box, no tip. What is going on? Why am I getting all these no-tip offers? Like, guys, we've been out here, earned by time, 2 hours. We are sitting at $27 for 2 hours. Come on, man, this is horrible. What is this? $27 for 2 hours? What's it gonna be? Come on, man, I know I'm getting my AR up. We sitting at a 35% on the AR, so that's looking good. You know, we might hit 50% after. Let's go ahead and see if they done tweaking. Trying to send me 10 miles away. They got me mad. Stop. $27 for 2 hours. This is trash. DoorDash, you are trash. DoorDash custom, you also are trash. Give me an order that's going not 10 miles away. Come on now, hook me up. Give me an order with a tip on it. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and have to quit for the night. Cause they trying to send me the Buffalo Wild Wing. I'm gonna go ahead and use my first decline. Decline and end dash. Hell no, I'm not trying to do that. Y'all tripping. DoorDash is out here smoking drugs. They tripping. I'm not trying to do that. Hold on now. DoorDash is tripping. Hell no. I guess that's all we gonna be making for tonight. Let's just go ahead and end it because I ain't getting nothing. I'm good. I am good. Look, talking about this busy. It ain't busy. If it was busy, I'd have gave me a good order. Not good, not good, not good. Look at this. So all together, you know, we dashed for 2 hours. What is it, Sunday? We made $27.09, y'all. Really horrible. 2 hours and 7 minutes on the clock. Delivered to all 9 tippers. Look at this. No tip order. No tip order. No tip order. I delivered to 3 9-tippers. This is trash. This is trash. I'm done. If you enjoyed me losing my mind and delivering DoorDash for free, hit that like button and the subscribe button. Because this right here, this ain't it.